Hoping to get a boarding group for Rise of the Resistance? Here are my tips on how to do it. You can make these at 7 a.m. on the dot, so be ready to go. About 10 seconds or so before 7, you're going to want to open up your My Disney Experience app, and you're going to want to be on that virtual queue page. I usually do this a couple of minutes ahead of time just to be safe, and then as soon as you see it turn to 7 o'clock there in the corner, you're going to swipe down and hit that join button. Your anxiety is going to go through the roof, but just keep hitting that join button until you can't hit anything else, and then you're going to go back to this page and you're going to go check your status and see what you got. Look at that, boarding group 5. Follow along for more Disney tips.